All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the calculations that are here in part A for number 1. So that'd be the pressure, the volume, and then the reciprocal of the volume, and then pasting that table in this space right here. So I'm going to start on the tables and graphs document, which you get in the Google Classroom. And part A is to calculate the pressure. So I'm going to need to type in a formula where I take my mass in kilograms over here, which I've already entered in, multiply it by 3.98, and then add atmospheric pressure in kilopascals, which is 101.3. So I'm going to start by putting in an equation by pressing equal sign. Then I need to take my mass. I'm going to actually put this in parentheses. I'd recommend you do the same. So start parentheses and then click on this cell right here, A7, and then multiply it with an asterisk. So I'm going to hit Shift 8, an asterisk, and I need to multiply it times 3.98. 3.98, close parentheses. The last thing I need to do is add in atmospheric pressure. So that would be 101.3. And then I'm going to hit return. Great, so that's my pressure exerted by the mass coming down on the cylinder that you did for the first trial. So now I'm going to drag that from here down to the bottom so that it does that calculation for my other 4 trials. So when I see that little cross that's at the lower right corner, then I can just click there and drag down to the bottom. And all my calculations are done for that. B, record the average volume values for each mass in milliliters. So I already did that here. And so that's done. C, get the reciprocal of the volume. So that means that I've got to take this volume here and make it be 1 divided by the volume. So I'm going to start with an equation by pressing the equals button, and then 1 divided by the volume. Gives me that. And then I can, I just hit return there to have it give me the value. Then I'm going to click on the cell and click on the lower right corner, drag it down to the bottom. And those are all my numbers. The last thing I need to do here is probably adjust this for sig figs, and I would just do that by clicking here. And then I can decrease the decimal places up here or increase them however I want. And once I have it the way I want it, then the last step is to copy and paste this into my other document, the Google Doc. So I'm going to highlight the table like this, and then I'm going to right click. And if you're on a Chromebook, right clicking means clicking with 2 fingers, and then hit copy. Come over here and paste it into the space by right clicking in with 2 fingers and paste. And then the last step would be to try and fix this formatting a little bit, which can be tricky. But if you drag each one of them out, then it will fix the formatting for you. And then I'm all set. Great.